Nore mātana hau, he uri no mitimuti no te hokianga nui a kupe. Ngā wāhi hi ōku mai te wā o taku ohinga. He nui ōku pūkenga hi ke taku kete. Engari, ko te mātauranga nui ia, ko ngā wahanga o te marama me ngā tohu o te moana. Ko ia tēnei, ko te mahi hi ika e ai ki te maramataka. He mea whai ngā mātauranga tuku iho a ngā tūpuna, e hia mano tau ki muri, ā ka tūnoa mai ki tēnei rā. He tohu mai kia mātou, ko hia hi ai, ko hia ai te mātaitai.
Tēnā koe Tangaroa.
Nō reira, tēnei te hiki tapu ai. He toha mātauranga, e whakamātau pūkenga, ka puta, ka ora. Whakapiri mai, me oku hoa ki te hi, e haerere moana, i runga i a Moontide Fishing. E whai ake nei, kei Aotea mao ko taku karanga tuahine Chrissy, a e hiika ana mai ngā toka.
Oosh, too good. But you carry on, you're going good.
E rapu ana Chrissy te tāmure nui.
It's a frickin' monster!
Engari, e harai te mahi māma.
Supposed to throw the fish back, not you.
Tangaroa-ā-mua rises 7 days after Rākau Nui, the full moon. It's a time of surging energy and a great time for fishing. Kia ora rā koutou te whānau, nau mai hoki mai anō ki Moontide Fishing, te mahi hiika e ai ki te maramataka. I te rānei, kei te mautere o Aotea hau, a e hitahi ana māo ko taku karanga tuahine nei, a Chrissy, ko te mahi i te rānei, ko te hi mai te tuone, mai ngā toka e rapu ana i ngā tini ika o tēnei wāhia tāhua. Ko te wahanga o te maramataka i te rānei, ko Tangaroa-ā-mua, i whiti mai a Tangaroa-ā-mua i te Wainganui pō, kei runga tonu i te rangi i te rānei, a koia tēnā ko te wahanga o te maramataka e hi ana māua. Whanaunga, what do you think we could expect your fish the area we're going to?
Well, maybe's beach. I mean, you've got options. You can cast off the beach, off the sand, and just sit and chill, or you can hit the rocks to your left. Yep.
Nice. So, whānau, it's rough as on the western side of the island. We've got a strong westerly blowing through, so we thought we'd have a look on the eastern side here. It's looking nice and flat, just a little bit of swell, and hopefully Tangaroa will be kind. Ko te mahi te rānei, ko te hopu kai, mauri atu ki te whānau, hei toha toha, hei koha mo te whānau. Nō reira te whānau, he rā pai e haere ake nei, nō reira kia mau tonu mai. He wāhia tāhua tēnei e haere ana māo ko Chrissy, a ko te tūmanako ia ka kitea te ngauanga ika i konei. Ka tikina e māwanga rau e mihi te motoka, a mai konei ka hikoi atu ki tētahi o tā Chrissy tauranga hiika.
Whānau, gonna make our way over, so we're just gonna get into it. That's us, whānau. Oh, te whānau. Look at this, it's beautiful. So we're getting a little bit closer to the rocks, send our burley out, hopefully Tangaroa will be kind to us. So what's your biggest tāmure you've ever caught?
I'd probably say a 9 pound.
9 pound?
Yeah.
Well, hopefully we can get something around that, if not bigger today. Ko te tūmanako ia, mā te tuku maunu ko natu ka rangona ngā tāmure, nā ka tai mai ki te kai, ka tahi, ka hopu ia Chrissy tētahi o ngā tāmure nui i te rānei. Koe te tūmanako, koe te whainga, ko tata tai atu māua ki ngā toka nei, te hi reira. E te whānau, what a beautiful spot. From what I can see out here, there's a little bit of swell, not too much. This is the perfect place for us to set up. The first thing we do, whānau, is get our burley going. We're going to be wearing our life jackets. We are fishing on the rock, so safety is important. Chrissy and I, we're just going to keep an eye on each other, so if one of us has got a fish on, the other one will just be keeping an eye, making sure there's a bit of a swell coming in at different times, the odd set, so we just got to watch those. But at the moment where we are, it's pretty safe. Probably in another 20 minutes or so after we've got the burley running, we'll start fishing. So, this is a perfect spot.
Perfect.
Ki te hopu ika I ngā wāhi pēnei ngā toka e hi ana māo I te rānei, e tika ana me tuku te maunu ko natu ki te whakapoapoa I ngā ika.
Ana reire te whānau, ko te mahi tuatahi ka tuku atu te maunu ko natu. Taka ki roto I te wai nei, ka tahi ka rangona ngā tāmure, ka tai mai ki te kai, ngā ika kato, run good burley, get it straight out before you do anything else. So you want to get your burley in a spot where it's gonna stay in one place and just watch where the burley trail goes.
E rere pai ana te maunu ko natu, ka piu atu a Chrissy I tāna maunu tuatahi ki te wai.
Yee-hoo! A snap!
What do you got?
A snapper!
Oh, nice. How'd I come and land it with?
Oh my god!
Got it? Yes. There you go. Ai te whānau, kua hopu I a Chrissy te tahi tāmure, te āhua nei, he ika pai mo te kai. Beautiful fish. They're here.
Yeah, they're here.
They're here. What do you want to do with the first one?
Oh, we've got to chuck it back.
Koia tērā ko te tikanga me whakahokia te mea tuatahi kia Tangaroa-ā-mua. Māna tēnā ika e whakahokia. Oof, too easy. Ai te whānau, ko tēnei te wahanga o te maramataka, ko te wahanga nei ko Tangaroa-ā-mua. So in the Tangaroa-ā-mua phase, which is the last quarter of the moon, we've been through Rākau Nui, the full moon, and we're getting closer and closer to the rise of whiro again. So when you look into the sky, you'll be able to see half a moon in the sky, and it'll be illuminated on the right hand side as you're looking. It'll be in the sky in the morning as it rises, usually in the vicinity of around midnight, but it'll still be in the sky. At the moment it's making its way west, where it will eventually set probably in the next hour or so. The Tangaroa-ā-mua. Tomorrow we're in Tangaroa-ā-roto, Tangaroa-kiokio. Very productive times of the maramataka, usually associated with calm weather. However, this is one of those times where we've got strong winds. We've got calm waters on this coast, so we're able to fish it. And Chrissy is on. Beautiful. Oh, he's just over the edge of that seaweed there, eh? He'll come out. Oh, another nice tāmure. Beauty. Nothing wrong with these, whānau. Yeah, too good. That's a good size.
It's a good size.
Well, we gave the first one back to Tangaroa. Now Tangaroa's given us one, albeit it swallowed the hook. It's big enough to take home. It's that perfect eating size, bigger than a karati, but a nice pan-sized tāmure. So that one's definitely going in the bin. Ooh, too good. Well, you carry on. You're going good.
Te tohu pai tēnei, ko tai mai ngā tāmure ki te kai. Ko tai mai hoki ngā kahawai.
The whānau, I'm going to see if this little soft bait will entice the kahawai. I have got my soft bait rod, but I'm just trying to save time by using one rod, one reel. But I can see kahawai in here, so everyone get one. Oh, there we go. Haha, we on whānau, little kahawai here. Haha, too good. Look at that whānau, that'll make a beautiful livey for a warahenga. If we see any sign of the warahenga, we might send some of these out. But we'll use this for bait, see if we can get onto some tāmure using these kahawai. Tēnā koe Tangaroa.
E whai ake nei, e haere pai ana ngā mahi hi ki te tiki kai mo te whānau.
Share it around, you know, my aunties and my uncles who are too old to head out onto the rocks.
Engari, e pau haere ana te wā ki a Chrissy ki te hopu I tētahi tāmure nui.
Oh, whānau, we are on. Oh, no. Tangaroa-ā-mua rises 7 days after Rākau Nui, the full moon. It's a time of surging energy and usually a great day for fishing. Kei Aotea Māo ko taku karanga tuahinea Chrissy e hi tāmure ana.
I reckon there'll be a big tāmure in there, eh?
Ko te tiki kai te whainga matua, engari e hehi ana Chrissy e te tahi tāmure nui. I aia nei nā, me tuku maunu ko natu natu anō.
Well, whānau, our first burley bomb didn't take long to run out. It was a little bit soft. This one here, at least it's a little bit more frozen. Not going to put as many holes in it this time. We'll be right, whānau, we'll get them, we'll get them.
Ko ti tēnei mahi, a me whakaritea te maunu hou.
Whānau, we're just going to switch over to some of our kahawai as bait so it stays on the hook nice and fresh. And like what we can do is have a whole fillet, or we can have a half fillet. We've only got one hook, but I'm just gonna... Oh, he's fat too. Beautiful fish. So that's all just fat. If you can get a fish that's fat like that, that's beautiful for eating, beautiful for smoking, and of course it's good bait for us for now. So there you go, fit to go, biff it out. Go, Chrissy.
Yo.
I aia nei, me tāria te ngau a ngā ika.
Yes, go, Chrissy.
Oh, wow.
Nice. Yes. That's a bit better.
2 meters of water. That's crazy. 2 meters of water, cuz.
They're there. That's the main thing.
Crazy. Now that's a keeper.
Definitely.
I'm lucky that I can just come out here and throw out a line and catch a feed. Send this one to one of the nanas.
O te whānau e whakatata ana ki te wā, ki te mānunutanga o te taipari. We're not too far away from high tide. We're still catching fish. The burley's still working. There's some nice tāmure starting to come in. I've just seen the Tangaroa-ā-mua moon head over the hill, heading out towards the west. It's probably setting roundabout now, but we're catching fish. Well, you're catching fish. We're just going to keep pushing on, hopefully get quite a bit of kai to take back for our whānau.
E haere pai ana ngā mahi hi a Chrissy, a e hoku kai ana mo te whānau.
Got him.
Got him.
Oh, nice. Oh, Cuz.
You know, when you do find a little spot like this here and you can catch a couple, and rather than, you know, keep it all to yourself, you've just got to share it around. You know, my aunties and my uncles who are too old to head out onto the rocks, you know, we play a part in, you know, giving them a feed.
What we're finding is mostly penny-sized tāmure, which are beautiful for eating, so we're happy. Be nice if a slightly bigger one turned up just for a bit of excitement. It'd be awesome to see Chrissy hooking up on something real big here. Back in her backyard, here in Aotea. Tōna kāinga. I'm just gonna put my jacket on just to break the wind. Carry on fishing. Hopefully I'll need to take it off again because it's gonna heat up and be all active. But we are getting pretty much to the change of the tide now, whānau. So what should happen is whatever we've got left with our burley will start running out and hopefully the fish will bite. We only need a few more. A couple of nice big ones just to finish the day would be good, eh? Just for a bit of excitement.
Ka tuku anō ngā maunu, a ka tahi anō a Chrissy te ika ka mau.
Whoa! I'm on!
Whānau, Chrissy's on a nice fish here. Still there? Did it come off? Oh no. Nah, surely you... Oh no, you still got it, Keep going. Let's go. Okay, see if we can get him around in here and I'll help you land him. Oh, whānau, Chrissy's on not a bad fish here. Oh no.
Dude, what happened there? Did I let it go?
The most excitement we've had all day. One more.
better hurry up and get a bait out, whānau. It's getting exciting.
I'm on!
Oh. Are you on, Chrissy?
Fish on!
It's on! Yee-hoo! Ah, we've been fishing the wrong place for the last hour. Still there? No, you're on. Ke huringa mai o te tai, e timua nei tēnei wā. And Chrissy is on. Let's go, let's go. Oh yeah, he's got a bit of nod there. Let's go, Chrissy! Woo!
It's a big one.
Oh, it's a big one.
It's
Yes,
a big
that's
one,
what we want to
guys.
hear. You're just going to watch these rocks over here, but if you get them into here, I can help pull them out. Land them. Oh, Friday, we are on. Oh, oh, no, 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 no. Oh, oh Friday.
Oh my God.
Oh, that was a good fish too. Whānau, it's been an awesome day out here fishing. We've got plenty of kai to take back to our whānau. The burley's run out, the fishing's slowed right down. We've had a couple of fish that have just come off that have been big fish, so we're only a couple of hours until dark. Might just get that late afternoon bite with a couple of mooches. See if we can maybe get Chrissy on one of her PB tāmure. She's caught, I think, somewhere around the 10-pound mark in the past, so possibly drop that today. So if we can get her onto another one, that'd just be an epic way to end what's been a great day out catching kai for the whānau.
Engari, ka pau haere te rā, ā ka ngaro haere te ngau, a ngā ika.
Whānau, it's been an awesome day. Kua hopu mao ko Chrissy ngā tāmure, he kai kia mauri atu ki te whānau. Tell you what, there were some big fish here. We weren't able to land any. Chrissy got busted off on a big fish. We're going to go home now. That's us for the day. We've got plenty kai to take back, but I don't know, maybe we need to come back again tomorrow. Maybe even look at another spot off the bricks. See if we can get Chrissy on her PB tāmure. But mō te wānei, ka nui tēnā, ko hopu kai.
He whai ake nei, he rā no tēnei, he whawhai nui kei te haere mō Chrissy. Engari, ka tō ake ia.
It's a freaking monster.
We've transitioned into the phase of Tangaroa-ā-mua, which rises 8 days after Rākau Nui, the full moon. It's a time of surging energy, and still a great time for fishing. He rāhau tēnei, ā e hoki ana māo ko taku karanga tuahine ki te hi. Ko te wawata i te rā nei, mā ngā tohu o tēnei wāhanga o te maramataka, ka taea Chrissy tana i ka nui te hopu.
We've got an incoming tide at the moment. Ko te tai pakua ko pahure. It was about an hour ago that we had low tide, so it is coming in. I usually prefer to fish the outgoing tide, send some burley, but the wind's going to be pushing out, and we will sit through the tide right through to Taipari, and then we'll start to fish some of the outgoing tide this afternoon. Hopefully we'll still have burley. Hopefully on that incoming tide we'll still attract the fish, but I'm looking forward to a good day out, and hopefully Tangaroa will be kind. Alrighty. Ai te whānau, he rāhau tēnei, ko Tangaroa-ā-mua, tērā te marama i runga i te rangi i tēnei wā. Aha koa ka hore a Chrissy hopu i tētahi tāmure nui ina nahi rā. Ko te whakatau i te rānei me puta mai anō, me trai anō ki te tiki i tērā o ngā tāmure nui. In this nice, beautiful, calm spot. Similarly to yesterday, we're going to run some burley. So we got kai, it was beautiful. But after Chrissy got busted off a couple of good fish, we thought we'd give it another crack, see if we can get out here. Her biggest tāmure is around 9-10 pounds so far. We just want to see if we can get her something a little bit bigger, see if we can get her PB out here in Aotea. Fish on. E te whānau, kua hopu a Chrissy I tētahi eka, ko te tūmanako he tāmure. Oh, it's a tāmure, alright, whānau. Oh, beautiful fish. E te whānau, nice beautiful tāmure, one that can go into the bin. Fishing in this phase of Tangaroa-ā-mua, I whiti mai a Tangaroa-ā-mua I te ata pōnei. So Tangaroa rose early hours this morning. We remain in that phase all day until Tangaroa Kiokio will rise in the early hours of tomorrow morning. Nice fish, nice fish. Oh. Lazy God. It is the first one, so ko te tikanga me whakahokia ki a Tangaroa. Mean, that's a good start.
Perfect.
Supposed to throw the fish back, not you. Oh, too good.
He timatanga pai tēnei mo Chrissy, ā ko tai te wā kia hau.
Little tāmure, I'm sure. Oh, you're not going to believe this, whānau.
A little one and a big one.
Oh, what a crack up. That's what you call a double whammy. One of those is legal, the other one's too small, but māku e nei e whakahokia ki a Tangaroa. Both can go back in the water, see if we can get something a little bit bigger. We do want to take some kai home today, even though we're trying to get Chrissy on her biggest tāmure, her PB, out here in Aotea. Beautiful.
Ā, I tēnei wā whaihua, ka tai mai pia ngā tāmure nui ki te kai.
And a good thing about the maramataka, it's kōrero tukuiho that's been passed down through the generations. And while we might live in a contemporary te ao huri me ki, a contemporary world, we've got resources such as fishing rods, we have resources such as fish finders when we go out on our boats, but some of that ki kōrero tukuiho is still there to assist us and help us in continuing to learn how to understand how the maramataka works in today's society. It's important that while we take on all of the knowledge that's been passed down by our tupuna, that one day we are going to be tupuna. So with maramataka often was based around tiro observation, and it's important that we continue our own observations in today's world so that we can pass on knowledge for the future generations. That intergenerational knowledge that's been passed down by our tupuna to us will help contribute to for the future.
Ka ngaua te maunua Chrissy e te ika, mēara wake, kua mau.
It's a frickin' monster.
Oh, that's an awesome fish.
He ika nui tēnei, ā, mea ta haere, ā ta hiake e Chrissy, hei puta te ika I te matau, he whati rānei I te aho.
Hey, Cuz, need a hand.
Okay. What I want you to do is relax for a second, get back. We're going to try and bring him through. Try and stick him here for now. I'll try and get him by the gills.
Hey, heck.
Just gently.
Oh my God, Cuz.
Yes, whānau.
Far out, is it a 20?
Oh. Yeah. Woo. Oh, that's an awesome fish. That's a mean fish.
Cuz, mean as.
6 kilos-ish, if not slightly more. Oh, you should be pretty stoked, pretty proud of that fish.
Oh my God, my heart is palpitating out of my chest.
Whānau, yesterday, busted off a couple of times. Today, in Tangaroa-ā-mua, landed. Beautiful fish. Well done. Oh, we are stoked. Nō reire te whānau, kaue wareware me hoki mai anō koutou ki Moontide Fishing, te mahi hiika, e ai ki te maramataka.
Whānau, don't forget to like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.
te reo